Restless. Me and my wild, crazy hair, we're restless. You ever get so tired that you can't even sleep? You toss and turn, you flip around like a fish out of water? That's how I feel. Then your brain starts thinking. Stupid shit, too. Like when I went and go get Chinese food earlier, I'm cutting through like the back plat near my house. Obviously gonna go slow. There's a lot of kids around, side streets, you know what I mean? All the cars or whatever, so you go slow. I got this guy riding my butt, man. It's so annoying. I never ride anybody's butt. First of all, you're not gonna make them go any faster. They ain't gonna make me go faster. That's for shit sure. Me, I never ride people's butts because a few reasons. One, I don't like it, so why am I gonna do it to other people? Number two, I like to leave myself some room in case I'm in a situation I need to get out of. You gotta plan ahead sometimes. Number three, I feel like stopping on the brake, getting out of the car, and say, let me open up my trunk and I'll let you in. You can ride with me. That's how close they ride your ass. I don't get it. People don't know how to drive. Oh man, they don't know how to drive. This world doesn't act right. The world is nuts. I know, I'm nuts too. I'm nuts for even coming on here looking like this with my crazy hair. I don't care. What you see is what you get. Whatever I'm doing, when I get in a mood, I show up. At least I show up. You know what I mean? At least I show up. I need a vacation, man. I need a trip to Hollywood. Big time. My suitcase is already packed. It's been packed about a month. Maybe even longer. A month and a half, maybe. Took the clothes out, washed them, and put them back in. I'm all ready to go. I just need tickets and a hotel. Show up at the airport. What you guys do today? Some of you folks I hear is very hot. Some of you are stuck in cold, crappy weather like I am over here. And it's not just cold and damp. I'm not saying where you need gloves, but it's cold and it's damp. There's no sun out. It's gloomy. It's depressing. Summertime, man. It's like days away from 4th of July. And in my eyes, as soon as 4th of July comes and goes, it's like summer. It's pretty much done. August flies by like crazy. Next thing you know it, it's September, Halloween, Turkey Day, Christmas. Oh, I don't want to think snow. Although maybe we'll luck out. Maybe we'll have 90-degree weather in December. That would be nice. That would be nice. Oh. I'm restless. I don't know what to do with myself. Like this. Like a fish out of water. I don't even know what to talk about. So I think I'm going to end this. Even my brain is restless. Guys, have a good day. If you got sunshine and it's hot somewhere, go to the beach. If you got weather shitty like this, go to bed. That's what I'm gonna do. And I noticed I have a few new followers. I want to say thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. We're creeping up there. We're creeping up there. There's so much traffic over here. I don't know what's going on. I need a haircut. People are like, Nico rambles. Goes on and on about nothing. How do you think I feel? I'm stuck in my head. At least you could scroll, swipe, delete, block. Me, I'm stuck in it. I live it every day. The brain is so powerful yet fragile. So powerful yet fragile. Without the brain, our body doesn't know how to function. Even as a computer. Maybe my computer chip is damaged. Maybe I need to switch it out. All right. Go do you. Do you. Do you. I'm gonna go figure out what I'm gonna do. Do.